Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Hauls and Reviews. And if you happen to see something new on my eyes, let me first clear this out. It is some new product what I'm experimenting. If the experiment goes perfect, then I'll definitely share with you. Otherwise, I will not share. Whatever is my experience, I will not share. Right, so if it looks something different or if it looks something funny also, please don't mind. I always say I'm not a makeup artist and I'm not a pro in makeup, and I always suck in the eyeshadow. So this is the one example. Now without blabbering, let me please come to the point. It is like today I'm going to review, basically review as well as going to demo. I've already used this particular product and I have already completely my thoughts on it, but just for the video I'm going to experiment in front of you as well. The product which I'm going to talk with you about is from NYBae. It is their skinfident line and they have come up with two new different products. One is for cuticle oil and the other one is quick drying drops. The product which I'm going to talk with you about is the quick drying drops. This is the product. It comes like this only, no outer covering, nothing. Okay, and it contains a 6 ml of product. It contains 6 ml of product. Everything is mentioned. There is no outer covering and everything. Like whatever is information given over here, it is given over here. Manufacturing and expiry and everything is given on the base of the bottle. So actually it is very difficult to show you. I don't think it will capture, but it is given in the base. The manufacturing, the expiry as well as the MRP. MRP of this product is 125 rupees, but when I got from Purple it was buy one get one free. So what I was just planning to get this like quick drying drops only, but since it was buy one get one free, so I thought of buying that cuticle oil as well, and I was not having, and I've already shown this product in one of my haul. If possible, I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box. In that haul itself, I had specified that I'm going to come with a review video of this particular product. So here I am today reviewing this product for you. Okay, I have told you basically each and everything. It is for 125 rupees, 6 ml, and I got it on buy one get one free. Now, what do you mean by quick drying drops? You must have seen that some machine kind of gel polish dryer or some machines. If possible, I'll link that image also over here. I do not have that machine, but I was wondering if this particular product can dry out my normal nail paint. I'm not talking about gel nail polish because I don't apply gel polish and I don't have also, and I don't right now. Of course, we cannot go to the salon also for gel nail polish and all. And y'all can see I have pretty good nails. So and I had actually discussed in one of my video also that I have pretty good nails. So I do not, generally I don't go to the parlor or nail spa and all. I don't get my nails done. I do everything at home by myself only. So what I was wondering, if this particular product can do wonders like that product. If yes, then why not? But there are pros and cons of this product. Now we'll just move towards my desk and we will see how it works. Right. Now what I'll do is I am purposely taking a dark color nail polish just to see how it performs, and I want to show you. So what I'll do is two nails I will be doing with this, and 2 nails I will be doing with some kind of glitter finish nail polish. Now on one nail I'll apply the base coat, and on one nail I will not apply the base coat. So the base coat which I have is from Jacqueline USA. You can see double use top and base coat. So first I'll apply on over here on this finger. I apply the base coat. Right now I'll apply the base coat over here on this finger because I want to give it a fair shot. I want to give everything proper chance and I want to see how it performs. On here I have applied, over here also I'll apply. Right, on the 2 nails you all can see I have applied the base coat, and on the 2 nails I have not applied anything. Now I'll just keep this aside. Okay, now I will take this nail polish and I'll apply on this particular nail. right? I have applied on this particular nail. Now what I'll do is I'll just take this, because we have to apply as soon as possible, right? So this is, I'll show you, this is already wet. Now I'll show you what happens. On this side I'll apply this on half, right? Now you all can see I have applied this on half. It dries the nail polish, but as well as it removes the nail polish. Yes, this is what I wanted to show you. Now I'll show you on other side as well. Since it is a quick drying drops, then as per my knowledge, we should apply immediately after applying the nail polish. Now you all can see. See. This is what I wanted to show you. I am not sure whether I am applying something wrong way. Now I'll do over here. Suppose if I'm not applying any base coat and I'm applying directly this nail polish, right? Maybe we are wondering because of base coat it is doing this, or because of, then let's give it a fair shot. Here I have not applied any base coat. Okay, it is still wet because of course it will take some time to dry. I'll directly apply on this. Can you see? Can you see? It is removing the nail polish. Whereas if it is a quick drying drops, then it should not remove the nail polish. So I have a problem with that. See, it dries up quickly. Like you can say within 3 to 5 seconds, it dries up quickly. But then see, you can see the finishing. So here I have a problem. Now if I'll show you what exactly this nail polish look original, then I have actually shown you, then I don't think there is need. You all can see it changes the color as well of the nail polish. Whereas if it is a quick drying drops, then the nail polish color or maybe the texture should not change. Now this is my previous one. Now you all can see it is dried up, but it is not giving me a smooth effect. You all are getting my point. The nail polish should look smooth, flawless. It should be like proper. It's not looking that way. Now we'll take this particular nail pen. We will just check on one finger only. Then I will not experiment on the other because it is going to be one and the same only. So I'll just take it on. I just keep it here. This is the Asfa Halal one. I have already applied the base coat. On this I am applying okay. Since this is the glitter nail polish, let's see, not exactly glitter, but it is having kind of a glittery finish. It's not proper chunky glitters, but you all can see this is not proper matte or not proper only color. It contains little bit glitter finish. So now what I'll do is I'll again take this quick drying drops. Okay, I'll directly apply on this. Can you see? And it is also coming off on this. Can you check the bristle? Can you check? See, I don't see. Can you check? It is coming off on this. It should not be the case. Now I am not sure whether I am doing it in a wrong way, because in the specifications and all they do not specify anything. Now let's take this finger and check. It is, of course we can give 1 or 2 seconds, no problem in that. But then yes, it is dried up, but you all can see the finishing from here. The nail polish is already moved. Now I'll just complete this off and I'll just come back to the video. Yes, now you all have already seen the demo and everything. Now you all can see my nails. Right? It doesn't look proper. So now final thought, no. no for this product. If they are giving you free also, don't take this. In option, if you're getting something else, go for something else, because this is removing the nail polish. Because as far as my knowledge is there, when they say quick drying drops, that means the nail polish is wet and immediately you are applying it, then you are set, like you are done for the day. But then if the nail polish is dry and then you are applying, then this is not the quick drying drops, then it is like something top coat or something. What the work of this is a top coat, then it is known as top coat, not the quick drying drops. That is what my knowledge is, and if I am wrong, please do not call me for it. Let me know in the comment section what do you mean by quick drying drops, because even on the websites also, on the Purple's website, I can show you, they never specify how to apply and all. They just say, I have already opened the website on my phone, that is the Purple app. They just say nail it like a diva with NYBae and all that stuff they have written. Then I'll just read what they say. Quick drying drops make the polish dry completely from top coat through the base coat. Just apply a drop on your nail enamel and you are ready to rock. Now how you will apply a drop? Of course with the brush. And when you are applying it with a brush, it is removing the nail polish as well. Right? It is giving you a streaky effect. Yeah, streaky effect is the proper word. It is giving you a streaky effect also, but I don't know how it works. So yeah, if that is what I wanted to actually tell you all, and that is what my final thought is on this particular product. If you have any other query or if you have any other questions to ask me, definitely you can let me know in the comment section, or else if you have any other video suggestions which you want me to make a video on, that also you can leave in the comment section, or else you can DM me. I'll give you my Instagram handle over here. You can DM me on Instagram. I'll definitely try to fulfill your request as soon as possible. And if you are watching till here, that means you are liking my content. If yes, give it a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. Ask them also to subscribe my channel. See, subscription is not going to cost you anything. It is going to boost me a lot, because like I get each and every product to review, and it is for you all. So if you are subscribing, indirectly you are helping me, and by reviewing the product, indirectly I am helping you. So why not to help each other, right? That is what I believe. If you are believing something else, then I am sorry for it, right? And yeah, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.